Patriotic and moral education in ethnopedagogy. 1. Explaining the concept of patriotic education. 2. Popular wisdom is an invaluable source of patriotic education. 3. Socio-pedagogical ideas of the figures of Alish. 4. The content of moral education. 5. Thoughts of scholars and enlighteners about moral education. 6. The role of folk art in the formation of moral education of youth. The word patriotism in Greek means fatherland, compatriot, native land, and love for the motherland. This word has a wide scale, giving meaning to use all the forces for the benefit and in the interests of the motherland. Patriotism is a feeling that we absorb from childhood to respect and honor their homeland, native language, customs, and traditions of the country. This patriotic feeling was formed from the early times, has deep meaning and is the pride of their nation. It is known that the common home of humanity is the planet Earth. In this common house there is a sacred place close to our soul. This is the motherland. Our motherland is Kazakhstan. Education of youth in patriotism is an eternal concept. About this many written papers and published thought. We have summarized and classified the definitions of patriotism of many famous people of our country and other states, which are presented in Table 3. Table 3. Classification of definitions of patriotism in the near and far abroad. Sources: S.H. Walakhanov. Provided definitions. My patriotic feeling is like a multi-layered figure. Inside each figure there is another figure. Like in a Matryoshka doll, I first of all honor my family, relatives, and then honor my native land, family, people, and then Russian Siberia, Russian people. Sources: Explanatory Dictionary. Patriot is a patriotic-minded citizen who loves his homeland, a country that protects her property. Sources: Philosophical Dictionary. Provided definitions. Patriotism is a moral and political principle. Its content is love for the motherland, its loyalty, pride in its past and present. Worship to protect the interests of the motherland. Patriotism, one of the deepest feelings of man, fortified over thousands of years. Sources: Pedagogical Encyclopedia. Provided definitions. Patriotism is love for the country, the motherland, and its cultural environment. Sources: Soviet Encyclopedia. Provided definitions. Patriotism, from Greek patriots, compatriot, patrio, motherland, homeland, is the formation from the very birth of love for the motherland, strength and knowledge for the benefit and interests of the motherland, respect for the native land, mother tongue, customs and traditions of the country. Sources: B. Momishuli. Provided definitions. Patriotism is love for the motherland, country, a sense of human well-being and state security, and strengthening the state is strengthening the person's personality, and in short means that the state implies the patriotism of the relationship with the person's identity, that is, with his past, present, and future. Sources: D.S. Kusainova. Provided definitions. Patriotism is not the innate biological qualities of a person, it is a social feeling of love for the motherland, the historically established motherland, which manifests itself in serving the fatherland. Sources: Explanatory Dictionary. Provided definitions. Kazakhstan patriotism is a synthesis of national patriotism based on the fundamental basis of the national identity of all ethnic groups living in Kazakhstan. Sources: J. NK Live. Provided definitions. Patriotism is a feeling of love for the motherland, language, people, state, contributing to making its contribution to the prosperity of the state, serving the motherland. Sources: N.S. Saloava. Provided definitions. Patriotic education of primary school students based on ethno-cultural values is love for language, mentality, art, history, land, life, lifestyle, the formation of patriotic feelings. Sources: Our definition. Provided definitions. Patriotic education of youth, the formation of a sense of special respect and love for their native land, homeland, history, multi-ethnic and multi-religious society, law, mother tongue, mentality, culture and art, traditions, religion and national symbols, flag, hymn, coat of arms. If we analyze these concepts, then at each stage the concept of patriotism is considered from the point of view of love for the motherland. As for the modern globalization process, the concept of patriotism should make every effort to preserve the peace and tranquility of world development along with the love of nations and nations for their homeland and state. In general, we understand Kazakhstan patriotism as love and respect for the Kazakh people, and patriot means one who loves his fatherland. To be a patriot of a real country, a person needs to have three qualities, as the great Abai said: vigorous courage, bright mind, and a kind heart. As is known, in the future of man, the special role that those qualities by which he is gifted by nature play a special role. Therefore, patriotic feelings are innate feelings in humans. However, its development or underdevelopment directly depends on education. Parenting is a special important task. And patriotic education is the most important thing in this education. A patriot, who truly loves the motherland, has a great sense of citizenship, has never refused and will not give up his heroic deeds for the sake of his country. The reason for this is always a patriotic feeling, a feeling of genuine courage. As a rule, teachers poets acquainted the youth, aspiring to creativity with customs, traditions, way of life of the people. To this end, young people, who were resolute and resourceful, took with them, passed on their experience, encouraged and supported them. In his scientific works, our ancestor, Al-Farabi, considering moral education, expressed the following opinion on the issues of moral education of youth through folk music. Folk music promotes good mood, helps moral education, leads to the improvement of the behavior of those who have lost balance. This is also useful for the beautiful characteristic of music, because the soul is also lost during illness. Therefore the healing it is done in such a way that the soul is healed, that its forces are pacified and adapted to its substance thanks to the sounds that produce such an action. In addition, the category of harmony extends as a whole to musical science, since music and its psychophysical influence has a harmonizing role on the mental and physical condition of a person.